The Fox and the Goat. Once, a fox, by an unlucky chance, fell into a well. She tried hard to climb up the wall of the well but to no avail. The wall of the well was too high to be jumped over. She felt to be utterly in trouble. After some time, a goat happened to pass by the well. She was also wandering about in search of water to quench his raging thirst. She peeped into the well. To his surprise, she found the fox splashing there. The fox also looked up and saw a goat peeping down. There flashed a trick through his clever brain. She decided to take full advantage of the opportunity. She pretended to be cheerful. The goat asked her what she was doing there. She said that she daily came there to enjoy the sweet water of the well. She invited the goat to jump down to taste the sweetness and enjoy the coolness of the water. The goat was too rash to think about the way up. She immediately jumped down into the well. The fox was waiting just for that moment. She at once jumped onto the back of the goat and leapt out of the well. Then she realized her folly. She requested the fox to help him out of the trouble. The fox laughed and advised her to go on bleating loudly. She said that his master might hear her cries and save her. Meanwhile, she should enjoy a luxuriant bath. Moral: do not just blindly walk into anything without thinking.